You're going to be in the new Abhishek Sharma's comedy as well, with Manoj Bajpayee and of course Diljit Dosanjh. Perhaps you can tell us about your latest comedy that's releasing this Diwali.
I am really excited. I'm very happy. It is with, great people, great actors. It was a great opportunity to be a part of such a huge cast and an amazing cast.
Was that a lot of fun just attempting comedy for a change?
It was a lot of fun. There was no action that I had to do. The vibe of the set was great. There were times when we were doing a scene and we would crack up because it was so funny.
Did you have fun doing comedy? Is it tough making people laugh?
Personally, my humor is very bad. It is difficult to make people laugh, and good writing comes in handy.
Tell me about Manoj Bajpayee. He's a powerhouse talent. I think just watching him like a crash course in acting. So did you think you were attending a masterclass in acting?
Whenever I sit with him, I ask him about his roles and what he does. And I love hanging out with him because he has so many stories and his journey itself is so... it's so intense. It is lovely to, be spending time with a person like this. Like him.
You actually have no problem telling people, yeah, I'm looking for work. I think that is the biggest change in actors today, where they don't have any issue saying that I'm looking for work. So is that a good thing? Now you are so open about desperate for good work.
I don't mind. I send texts to directors every now and then. Okay, please remember that I exist. I want work. I want to work with you. Because, you tend to forget that there are so many actors around.
How has the journey been so far? We ask you this because suddenly Bollywood has become this big bad place for outsiders. Do you look at that narrative and identify with that, how tough it is for outsiders?
But I also do not think that this industry is this big bad industry and that, it's come to eat everybody alive and then it's not giving opportunities to people. Of course it is giving opportunities. It's been giving opportunities since forever, since the industry has existed. There are so many cases where people have seen somebody, they've identified, they thought that was potential and they've casted them, who have not been even a part of the industry. It is unfair that you tag this industry as this evil industry. I have gone through the struggle. I'm an outsider. But tomorrow, if I have a child and if I have a sibling and if they want to be a part of this industry, why would I not want to help them? Why would I not want to protect them? It is unfair to say that there are no opportunities for outsiders. There is an outsider coming every other day. We are getting opportunities. It is going to be difficult. It is always difficult for an outsider in any field, any industry. You have to find the positive. You know it's going to be a hard job. I knew I'm an outsider. I knew it's going to be difficult. I knew that a star kid is going to get a priority. I am still optimistic. I'm still going by it. I will kill them with my hard work and I will try to, be better than them. I will have to work harder and what is so bad? I will be better than.
What do you want the viewers to take from your movie?
Films are an escape. Always been an escape. Literature is an escape. You read book to escape the current situation. So I, want people to just go and forget things outside what is happening or just enjoy karo.